Okay guys, welcome to the next video in the course. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to set up your Chrome extension, also how to set up the settings for your Chrome extension and what the Chrome extension does. Once you open your ShopMaster, on the far right hand side here, you're going to see something saying install Chrome extension. Hit install Chrome extension. What this will do is go over to the Chrome store. Make sure that you are logged in on Google Chrome or you've downloaded Google Chrome. If you haven't downloaded Google Chrome, just go to Google and type in download Google Chrome. Okay, come to the Google Chrome. Very basic to do. Google Chrome, download Google Chrome for Mac or PC, whatever you're on. Once you have done that, come up to the top here, and what we're going to do is click add to Chrome. Add extension. Once we've added this to the extension, it's going to ask you to sync. Turn on syncing and just close that. So now what we're going to have, you're going to notice that on your Chrome bar here now, what you're going to have is you're going to have a ShopMaster Chrome, like a Chrome extension. Okay, what we're going to do now is just going to click back to ShopMaster, and what we're going to do now is we're going to make sure that ShopMaster is set up correctly with the Chrome extension. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to hit import products, and it's going to ask us here to start importing products. Okay, but we don't want to do it that way. What we're going to do is we're just going to go back to ShopMaster, and we're just going to go over to, let's say, Alibaba Express. Okay, open Alibaba Express for me. Okay, and then what I want you to type in is just, let's say, fishing. Doesn't matter what it is. I'm just going to say fishing line. Once I hit fishing line, as you can see, everything is in blue. Okay, anything in red is we're not going to import it. So I'm going to show you how to set this up correctly now. Go up to the top right hand corner of your screen and you're going to see your ShopMaster tab. You'll notice now when we have the tab installed, if I go over to here, I don't get any settings. It's because we're not actually connected to a supplier with ShopMaster. Once I go to Alibaba Express or one of 20 suppliers, it's going to give me information. Okay, the information